Diffraction of waves. Diffraction of waves is a phenomenon in which waves spread out as they pass through an aperture, or a small obstacle. For example, a sea waves moving through a narrow opening. The pattern of the water waves is seen to be changing from plane to circular. The sea waves spread out when passed through the narrow opening. This phenomenon is known as diffraction. The diagram shows the diffraction of water waves in a ripple tank. After passing through a small aperture or obstacle, the speed, frequency, and wavelength of the diffracted waves remain unchanged. The shape of the diffracted waves passing through an aperture or obstacle changes from plane to curved or circular. The direction of propagation of waves changes in the direction of the diffracted ray, which is perpendicular to the diffracted waves. The diffraction effect of waves depends on the width of an aperture, or the size of an obstacle, and the wavelength. The diffraction of the waves is noticeable if smaller size of aperture and obstacle are used. The diffraction of the water is less obvious when the large size of aperture and obstacle are used. Thus, the effect of diffraction of water waves becomes obvious when the size of the obstacle and width of the aperture decrease. The effect of diffraction of water waves becomes obvious when the wavelength of the water waves increased. Thank you for taking time to watch this.